Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to the delicious world of Dominican cuisine. It's a truly vibrant and soulful cooking style, born from a rich tapestry of history and culture. Think hearty, comforting flavors, usually built around super fresh, local ingredients. You'll taste amazing influences from Taino, African, and Spanish traditions, all beautifully blended into every single dish you try. It's a wonderful journey for your taste buds. To start cooking Dominican, you'll want to gather some key ingredients. Think staple items like ripe or green plantains, yuca, rice, and a variety of beans, often paired with fresh chicken, pork, or beef. The real flavor magic, though, comes from sazon and sofrito. These are your essential aromatic bases. And don't forget fresh herbs like cilantro, oregano, and plenty of garlic, used generously to build incredible depth of flavor. Now, let's talk about some iconic Dominican dishes you absolutely must try. La bandera, which means the flag, is the national dish, a truly comforting plate of white rice, red beans, and perfectly stewed meat. For breakfast or dinner, mango is a fantastic choice. It's a creamy, savory mashed plantain dish. And for a special occasion, sancocho is a must-make. It's a rich, warming stew often made with up to 7 different meats. Mastering Dominican cooking often comes down to a few simple techniques. First, remember that low and slow cooking is absolutely key for those incredibly deep, tender flavors you find in stews and meats. Also, for rice, aiming for a perfectly crispy cancan at the bottom of the pot is a true sign of a great cook. And don't be shy about experimenting with spice levels. Try using ají dulce. For example, it adds a lovely flavor without too much heat. Cooking Dominican food is truly a rewarding and delicious way to connect with a beautiful culinary heritage. My advice: start with some simpler recipes, like a classic arroz con pollo or a basic stewed chicken, just to get comfortable with the flavors. Most importantly, share your amazing creations with friends and family. It's all about enjoying this delicious experience together. So, get cooking and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.